In a study designed to assess the safety of the medicine, researchers found cancer to stop growing in half of the patients who were given berzosertib. It is a drug originally invented by Vertex Pharmaceuticals. This makes it useful as a potential treatment for some forms of cancer by causing accumulation of DNA damage in the cancer cells and thus reducing their viability. So let's jump into the video to see Cancer Breakthrough has found new drug is to shrink tumors. We publish good content videos every day. If you're not subscribed to the channel since, don't forget to tap the subscribe button below, otherwise I will hypnotize you. A new drug that targets a cancer cell's ability to repair its DNA has shown encouraging results in its first patient trial, which belongs to a new class of drugs known as ATR inhibitors. ATR inhibitors work by blocking the function of a protein called ATR, which helps cancer cells fix damaged DNA. The team also found tumors to disappear completely in 2 of the patients. The researchers said it is unusual to see a clinical response at early stage of the trial, the findings of which are published in the Journal of Clinical Oncology. Study author Professor Johan de Bono, Head of Drug Development at the Institute of Cancer Research, London, said, "Our new clinical trial is the first to test the safety of a brand new family of targeted cancer drugs in people, and it's encouraging to see some clinical responses even at this early stage. While damage to the DNA in cells is thought to be the main cause of cancer, finding ways to prevent cancer cells from being able to repair their DNA can stop the disease from spreading." Phase 1 trial results show promising results in the first clinical trial of the drug class. Found that half of patients given the new drug either alone or with platinum chemotherapy saw their cancer stop growing, and 2 patients saw their tumors shrink and disappear completely. They were able to establish the doses at which the drug was safe for use in further clinical trials and discovered berzosertib on its own caused only mild side effects. The drug's benefit was even more marked in patients who also received chemotherapy, with 15 of 21 patients seeing their disease stabilize. One patient with advanced bowel cancer saw his tumors disappear and was able to stay cancer-free for more than 2 years after taking berzosertib on its own. Another woman with advanced ovarian cancer, whose disease had come back after treatment with another drug, saw her tumors shrink after receiving berzosertib alongside chemotherapy. Professor Paul Workman, Chief Executive of the Institute of Cancer Research, said, "Targeting a cancer's ability to repair its DNA is fundamentally important avenue of cancer research, which has delivered some of the most important advances against the disease in recent years." It's exciting to see the first clinical trial of a drug targeting a key player in the DNA repair progress have such promising results, and look forward to the results of further studies testing the benefit of this new family of targeted treatments. The drug is now moving forward in further trials, and the researchers hope it can be developed into a new targeted treatment for patients. So I think you guys enjoy this video. Please make sure to click the like button below this video and subscribe to the channel.